Looking for a premium magnetic power bank na super convenient gamitin? This is the Ugreen MagFlow 10,000 mAh magnetic wireless power bank, and I got this from the Ugreen Shopee official store. As always, napaka-secure talaga ng packaging kapag bumibili ako sa Ugreen Shopee official store. So inside the box, you will get yung ating MagFlow magnetic wireless power bank. And it also includes yung user guide. At the same time ay meron din itong kasamang USB-C cable. Bukod doon, meron na rin siyang built-in cable. So habang chine-check natin ang item, tignan naman natin or i-highlight natin kung ano yung magagandang features ng product na to. First, syempre, yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is very versatile siya because you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. Dalawang USB-C na pwedeng gamitin at saka syempre yung isa wireless. Kaya perfect if madami kang gadgets. Also, fast charging ito. Fast output din siya. So hindi ka maghihintay ng matagal whether wired or wireless. Efficient yung charging niya and it's great for daily use or even travel. At syempre dahil magnetic ito, 'di ba? Magnetic wireless charging. So isang snap mo lang sa phone and you're good to go. Super convenient lalo na if ayaw mo ng maraming cables. And not to mention ang ganda din ng build or yung design nito because it has a silicone finish plus metal finish. So ergonomic siya sa kamay and very premium yung feel. Hindi na siya madulas hawakan. Sa pag-charge naman ito, pwede nyong gamitin yung kasama or included na USB-C cable, pero alam nyo ba na self-recharge din to? Kasi dahil may built-in cable na siya, so less dala ang mga extra wires. And dito ka na rin mag-recharge ng power bank itself. Super convenient. So yung cable na yon, it's an input and output at the same time. Hindi rin ito katulad ng iba na kailangan hindi siya pwedeng i-charge kung ginagamit mo yung power bank. Ibahin nyo to because ito, you can charge your devices while nire-recharge mo rin yung power bank. Kaya tipid din sa time, especially if you're in a hurry. And take note meron din tong real-time battery display. So kita mo agad ilang percent na lang, kaya hindi ka na kailangang manghula. Makikita mo kung ilan na yung charge ng iyong power bank. At the same time, kapag ginagamit mo naman ito to charge your gadgets, makikita mo na rin kung ilan ang natitira. And don't worry guys because very safe din itong gamitin because ito ay merong thermal guard and 13-layer protection. Halimbawa nito is yung overcharge and temperature protection. Kaya panatag ka habang ginagamit. And i-add ko na rin siguro yung cable na nakikita nyo na built-in is actually military grade. At tested ito up to 10,000 bends. So hindi ka basta-basta mag-worry na masisira agad ang built-in cable. Add ko na rin that this is a flight-friendly na power bank. So pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit sa travels without hassle. This is also Qi 2.2 certified, so you know you're getting reliable and efficient wireless charging. So ayan, pinapakita ko na china-charge ko yung cellphone ko ng wireless at ginagamit ko naman yung built-in cable sa aking earbuds. Hindi ko pa napakita dito but you can also use or connect another device kasi nga ito, you can charge 3 multiple devices at the same time. So if you're looking for a premium power bank, you should try Ugreen MagFlow 10,000 mAh magnetic wireless power bank. It is from Ugreen Shopee official store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.